Good morning children, welcome to MOA revision class of 9th standard. Today let us will see the second concept of this lesson, the outbreak of the revolution. Dear children, in yesterday class we discussed about the first concept, the French society during the late 18th century. So there we discussed about the France society. So on which basis the France society was divided into three estates. Okay, so in this class today let us will see how did the French revolution was began in the France. Okay, so while reading the textbook, dear children, please try to understand how did the French society was causes to the French revolution during the 18th century. Okay, during the 18th century, as you already know in the previous classes. So many causes were led the French revolution against the Louis XVI in France. So how the Louis XVI was called the Estate General meeting in the palace, and the different representatives from the different group of the society were present in the palace, and how did the third estate peoples were demanded to the Louis XVI when the king was rejected their demands. What happened there? Automatically that revolutionary peoples were gathered in the tennis courts and they were formed the what? The National Assembly. And after that you have to focus on the French become a constitutional monarch. After forming the National Assembly, how did the France become a constitutional monarch in the country? So while reading the NCERT textbook, please once you detailedly go through the outbreak of the revolution. So how did the French revolution was began in the country, and second important concept is how did the France become a constitutional monarch. Okay, constitutional monarch. So please once you see your NCERT textbook and read the page number 8 to 13. Okay, 8 to 13 and answer question number 2 to 4. This question answer already given on page number 24 in the NCERT textbook. Okay, after finishing these two concepts, please once you try to answer the question number 2 and 4 on page number 24. Okay, on page number 24. After finishing the NCERT book, let us go to the lead supplementary book. So in lead supplementary book, please once you go through the concept and try to attend the practice questions from 3 to 5. Okay, 3 to 5. So here 3 to 5 questions and NCERT 2 to 4 questions. On this question we prepared MCQ questions for your MOI examination. Okay, so please once you go through this lead questions and NCERT questions, it will help to attend the MOI examination.